Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We are playing this game called Space Jump Simulator. I have no idea what this game is about. I just literally wanted to join it and I'm bald. Let's turn this copyright music down, I think. Alright, we are starting with 5,000 coins. Okay. Oh. Look at that. What? Okay, popular pack open. Brown swipe. Alright, so what do we just get? Ooh. Where that brown swipe? Ooh. So what do we do in this game? Just jump. Why do we have a backpack when we're jumping? There's like little these balls. Whoa, 100. I think what you do is like. Oh no. Oh, there's one of these green things. Green balls. I don't know what that's all about. Did we just get it now? Oh, come on. We got one. Got two. Oh, these green ones. 180. Okay. Can we collect these balls here? That's how we fill up our storage. These give us 2 of them. Whoa. Alright. 4,000. Oh, we need more coins for that. Got a boy pack. Back squish. Black boy hair. We wasted literally all of our coins. Bam. 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 So we get higher and higher. That's probably why it's called Space Jump Simulator. Because you're jumping and you get it higher. Just like Jump Simulator. I don't know what I'm talking about. You get a lot. Whoa. We can almost reach the 8ers. We have 100 jumps. And we're getting up there. We're getting another good backpack. Wait, you can't even buy backpacks? $36 clear. What? Okay, we got 4,000. Yeah, I'm not playing this. I'm not playing. What shall we play? I mean, my idea was Space Jump Simulator, but I guess that's not happening. That game is boring. Oh, actually, I have been working up from Fame Simulator. Look at how much progress. I have 369,129,600, and now I got 13,444 subscribers. Actually, Yeetmaster has like a wow. He's gonna decline it. And I'm just going to say question mark in the chat. What does this guy want from me? Trade was declined. Alright, I knew that was going to happen sometime soon. Well, I got 14,000 subscribers. I'm Mexican though. Who cares if you're Mexican? Why can you not trade me that crap? Why can't you trade me that? I'm just gonna say that. See what he responds. Want to trade? He literally said, "Want to trade?" Fine. Wow. He said want it. Oh, maybe that's Carmen 1111. Maybe you can get Cinder. No, I don't want to trade on any of this. Wait, what does he have? Jeez! There's a bunch of stuff. Yeah, trade was declined. Wow. Why does people want to trade me and then I accept it and they decline it? Trading is literally all about giving people stuff. It's literally all trading is. And then this guy wants to decline my trade. And we're about to hit 20,000 subscribers. This will get their attention. That's the only reason, because of my school. Come on. Come on. Come on, midgets. Let's go. Come on. I work my butt off every day. I bet it is. What do they mean? I bet it is. Wait, do I have 75,000? No, not enough. Okay. I have 23,000. Bam. 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 Come on, army. Come on. Midget army. Okay, I'm done with this game. Yo. This guy right here. I swear, if Zeph actually comments on this video, I'm already subscribed. Hit that bell. The Ghost Operation Project Zorgo. This group is so... I'm saying, we gotta take down Project Zorgo, man. Everybody who comments on this video, Project Zorgo's fake, well, they burned down somebody's house. And that, look, He's literally in this. One. Let's see, dot. Wait, is that? Wait. Alright. Ghost. Wait, what's the game? Jeez. What is this game? No. I think it's this video. That's like jailbreak. Oh. About this. There's no midget army in this Danielito game. Da. We got our midget army in here. Team Ghost. There's Team Ghost in here. I don't have admin in this game. Wow. Wow. You have admin. Yeah, I'm recording too, so if you can just member. Hashtag member. Yo, I'm like recording right now. Because I want to. Yep, I'm recording his face. Bye. Let's see if the ghost is online. Got 1 minute left before it hits maximum time. Alright, okay, we can just go here. He's not online. Buy my merch. We don't have to. We don't have to. He's friends with him. He's friends with him. Why is he friends with the ghost? The ghost is doing some really bad stuff. Yeah. Okay, one I'm gonna have friend. I'm gonna follow. People keep sending me friend requests and I hate it. I hate it. Alright, bye guys.